Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you what is the basic structure of the startup and what mistakes we do. So today we are going to discuss about the basic structure of startup. So when you are looking to start a business, you need a investor for investment to start a business. For machines and other requirement to start a business. After getting an investor, you have to go for a certification like registration for a firm. After after registration of your business, you can take a property and machines which are requirement for a production. After once the production starts, you have to hire a sales. After hiring the sales, you have to hire a marketing person. After that, you need a finance and manager. So manager will control all these four parts, and you also you are also going to watch out how the work is going on. So most of time what happens is, so we will do this process. We will do like we will bring investment and we will start a production, but we will forget remaining things. So after producing, you will face a issue like product is not getting sale, and due to that, what you have bought investment from others, it will you are you can feel that you are getting a bankrupt. So most of time, uh, what we do after starting a production, we will hire a people in a production. So it is like we will feel that like if we having a person in a production, it will helpful for us. uh, People will come and buy from you if you have taken a like outlet or a office space on a highways. So you will get 20 to 30 customers or 40 to 50 customers. Then you will feel that you need a helper in a production. So you will first hire a person for a production, and then after that you will feel that you will feel at the month end, you will feel that you don't have any money. So you will feel always in trouble at the end of month. So first thing is, uh, you should not hire a person in a production. First thing, you have to hire a person for a sales, with a multitasking person, sales with a marketing, so he can bring a leads, and he should do at the same time he should also market your business. After that, you will get uh, you will get 20 to 30 customers from your outlet, and plus he will bring more 20 customers for you, 20 to 40 customers for you. After some time, you will be capable for hiring a uh, helper under production person. After after getting a helper under the production, you can think about like hiring a person for a marketing and finance and manager. So you can take a little bit of rest if you are if so. We also need these things like we need a spy or R&D or mentor. We have to First of all, we have to try to search for a mentor, a person who having experience in a same business or nearby business, or a person from your family who can guide you uh, to take decisions which you have not experienced before. If you don't have any mentor or some like that, so you have to go and check the already successful business by uh, by buying products from them, or by going and surveying how the business they are running out. And you can also do a R&D by yourself by spending money. Like you can experiment new various type of new by doing different activities and checking out how it is affecting your overall overall money structure. So if you don't have this much money to hire to do this whole process, uh, we have a second way which don't need a lot of money. So in this we need at first we have to develop a skills which can earn money for you. After that, after learning the skills, you have to go to door to door marketing or face to face marketing by visiting offices or homes, and by showing your profile or your work, by asking the work they by by asking the work, uh, and taking the work, and by by providing service you can earn money. If you don't have skills, you can you can get videos on my channel, and so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click bell icon. So in my channel I'm going to help you to learn a graphic designing, web designing, and other skills. uh, Thank you for watching my video. After crossing these after crossing after crossing this structure, we have three more uh, level three more structures of business. You can follow it by clicking subscribe. You can get it. uh, you will get to know in the future. Thank you.